This is the USAutomatic 2-button remote. USAutomatic also offers a 4-button remote. Both remotes run on a frequency of 433.92 MHz. These remotes are powered by a 12-volt Type 23A battery with a lifespan of up to 2 years. The remotes have a range distance of up to 300 feet in clear view. If there are any trees or objects in the line of view, this will affect the distance. A red LED will illuminate on the remote when a button is pressed. Each remote has 9 dip switches inside that can be set to either up, middle, or down positions.